by Dan Pink, I think. It's called When. That's it, When. And the subtitle is like The Science of Timing or something like that. And what he found in his research is that people follow a very predictable energy pattern where you wake up in the morning, you have high energy, that energy wanes around noon. Right after lunch, it's at its worst. And then just after that, about 2 or 3 or 4, depending on like when you eat and when you wake up, it rebounds, not quite as high as it was in the morning, and then peaks again at about 7 to 9, and then it drops off again when you go to sleep. And what he found is that when you understand your own energy cycle, your energy pattern, and you align your life according to that energy pattern, your life outcomes are way, way, way better. In fact, so he studied this. He's a behavioral economist, so he studies all of this stuff. He actually studied the impact of timing on market performance of a company when they do their earnings statement. And what he found is that when earnings statements or earning calls were done during one of these predictable low energy points, he actually calculated the negative impact it has on stocks, even when the phone call, independent of the results of the call, like independent of what is going on in the call, that the impact on stocks has more to do with when it is given than what message is delivered, which is fascinating. So what I've done is I've seen in my life, I know when my energy waxes and wanes. And so I try to pattern my performance tasks in the times when I know my energy is at its highest, and then I try to schedule renewal activities to help facilitate that energy rebound. So that's sort of a good example of life engineering, which is simply like we can learn the principles that govern and we can engineer success by just knowing those principles and applying them correctly.